guys. It's a beautiful morning. It is 6:30 and they're off to the races first thing in the morning. Getting it done. Okay guys, almost done. I had to mow. But we have so much grass seed, I'm not collecting this to put in our garden because it's got so much grass seed in it right now. I need Chris to mow this area with these blackberries out here. But this is what it looks like. Okay, here, I'm gonna go like this, and there we go. So the water is probably gonna come up really high there, and then over on this side, not so high. Kind of like a bean, like a pinto bean. Kind of like a bean, so probably will come out there, and then the water will come up on this side and in there. So when you look at that, that's probably more of an acre. So all of this will have to be reseeded around here, and we'll throw some wildflowers and things in here. And so we have a lot of decorating to do for this fall season, when it's good time to plant. So right before it rains, we'll get a bunch of seed in here. Maybe my brother-in-law can drill it in so we won't have to put so much stuff on top. But it's nice because it does get rid of some of this broom sage that we've been dealing with. So I won't be surprised if we see the wildlife come in this area and drink, which is really nice advantage from the house to see that. Just making that nice top, that nice and smooth. Just doing his finishing touches now, it looks like, and then we'll be done today probably. So exciting, guys. Okay. Come on, boys. Okay, guys. So, let's see how things are going. It looks like he's doing a lot of smoothing out now. Just kind of running over it. He doesn't have his blade up most of the time. Or he doesn't have his blade down, I should say. Not up. He does a little bit this way. Now we're seeing some serious smoothing out. And this side. he's probably gonna make everything look beautiful now. What do you think? Huh? These dogs, being Labradors, are gonna love a pond. Oh, he's coming my way. Well, Bubba thinks it's good enough to poop in. So there you go. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Dogs are out here marking their territory. So we'll get the backside a little bit. We will get the drone up probably this weekend, so you guys can see it from a drone's perspective. If Chris was here, we would have got the drone up for a good amount of it. So wherever there's, thank God I have some grass seed. Wherever there's like some areas that we'll need to throw down some grass seed, we will. Now this is what the backside looks like. And he smoothed it out nice. I didn't even know he was back here doing this, because I'm busy editing inside. But this is looking nice and smooth now, and now we can grow some nice grass along here. And this is probably where the spillway is, so that it will go down in there. But this is the back side of the pond. And he's making that look all nice and pretty. So, again, the pond starts over there, goes all the way over here. We have the high point around where the house is, where we'll probably have to put a nice set. Come on, guys, get out of the way. Bubba. Bubba's got to check things out. Curious George, what do you think? Oh, it looks like we got some ants here. Let's get away from there, because these ants are probably the kind that sting you. So, just absolutely awesome. Looks like he's almost done. Isn't that cool, guys? We'll be able to drive along the top here. And we'll put plenty of grass seed down. And what he's doing, I think, is he's taking some topsoil, but there's plenty of clay in there. So hopefully some grass grows up nice. If not, anything weeds will. So it is looking awesome though. So that's what the backside looks like. And this front side here, so it kind of goes down and deep, and then that's gonna look really cool. So the pond, I don't know if it's gonna be a full 2 acres when I look at it, so water will probably run up into there. Who knows? Who knows how it will fill up? This guy knows what he's doing though, and we'll probably put some trees and some different things to kind of accessorize it to make the fish happy, some stumps in there and stuff like that. And still got to do my homework on that. But so this is all I'm going to film on this today. We will get the drone up later and do the final reveal. But it's looking awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Looking awesome.